Fry's first 100 words. Let us read together. The, of, and, a, to, in, is, you, that, it, he, was. Okay, your turn to read. For, on, are, as, with, his, they, I, at, be, this, have. From, or, one, had, by, words, but, not, what, all, where, we. Your turn to read now. When, your, can, said, there, use, an, itch, she, which, do, how. Okay, your turn to read. There, if, will, up, other, about, out, many, then, them, these, so. Okay, your turn to read. Some, her, would, make, like, him, into, time, has, look, to, more. Okay, your turn to read now. Right, go, see, number, way, could, people, my, then, first, water, bin. Okay, kindly read it. Cold, who, am, it's, now, fine, long, down, day, did, get, come. It's your turn to read now. Made. May. Part. Okay, your turn. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe.